The trial of the Tacoma police officers charged for the death of Manuel Ellis continued today with a toxicologist explaining the potential effects of methamphetamine on the body. Ellis died in March 2020 while in police custody. Officers Matthew Collins and Christopher Burbank face second-degree murder and manslaughter charges, while Officer Timothy Rankin is charged with manslaughter. Tacoma Bureau Chief Lionel Donovan joins us now live from the courthouse with what stood out in this morning's proceedings. Lionel.
Good morning, Christine. Well, the defense's toxicologist, Asa Lewis, explained how different kinds of drugs and alcohol impact the body depending on the amount that's consumed and how often that person ingests them. First, he explained this to the court and then later on to the jury. Now, the defense says this information, along with Ellis's drug and medical history, is vital for the jury. However, the state feels otherwise. Special Assistant Attorney General Patty Eakes argued that Ellis's medical and drug history is irrelevant to the night of March 3rd, 2020, when the three charged officers encountered Ellis. Eakes reminded the court that Ellis is the victim in this homicide case and that he is not the one on trial. So including this information would paint Ellis in a bad light.
Harkens back to the days of the rape shield law, before the rape shield law, when courts were allowing in somebody's sexual history in order to say that therefore they couldn't have been a victim of a rape. I mean, we're talking about things that happened in Mr. Ellis's life prior to this incident that really have no connection at all to this particular incident.
Now, court is in recess for lunch, but when it reconvenes this afternoon, Lewis will continue his testimony. We're also expected to hear from Tacoma Police Officer Matthew Collins. But for now, we're live at the Pierce County Courthouse. Lionel Donovan, King 5 News.
Thank you, Lionel. And you can stay with King 5 for complete coverage of the trial with updates in all of our newscasts. We will also stream that trial live on king5.com and on King 5 Plus, our free streaming app for Roku, Apple TV, and Fire TV.